I'm Brian Hill. In my series on e-bikes, this is the fat tire, small, foldable e-bike. Why would you want to do that? Maybe you want to get away from the high traffic areas around your home and bicycle someplace safer, or see something new because it can get boring doing the same circuit all the time. Or maybe you want to take it on vacation. Lots of good reasons for having a foldable bike you can put in the trunk, but how hard is it for a senior to do it? We're going to work with my friend Teddy Phelps. We're going to unfold and fold up a e-bike that he's never done before and just see how difficult it is for him. There's a three-step process, but I think you'll agree it's probably a two-person job. Step one is to take the handlebars off. How do you do that?
Okay, we're getting ready to load it up. So it's got a latch right here, just like the bottom one. You pull this down.
Okay. And
then you pull this back, getting ready to load it in half.
Okay.
It just hangs there.
Okay.
Then you loosen this one here.
And that's the one that splits it in two.
Uh-huh.
By sort of rolling the bike towards you. That half while you hold the other one.
Just like that, and you're ready to load it in your car.
So by raising the kickstand, instead of having the kickstand down like this, raising the kickstand up, then the bike sits rather nicely. So we're measuring here.
29 inches with my seat height, and it can go lower than that. And the hatchback on an SUV is 33. So actually my bike could sit in here the way it's sitting in the garage.
Okay, so let's see.
We just lift it straight up and carry it over to the car.
Okay. Oh, that's not too bad.
Huh. I'll put mine in first, and then we can just roll it back.
So there it is in the back of an SUV, folded up, and you almost could get two of them in the back here. So now we have it on a flat surface, and let's see how the three steps to unfold it work.
Okay.
Yep. So first you're pivoting this around, the front tire, lifting up on the seat, and then turning the tire. Yeah, there we go. There. Just by leaning it forward a little, it wants to go. And then you got the...
I'm gonna put the kickstand down.
Put the kickstand down. And that stabilizes it, and then you just move up on the handlebars, and you're done. So energy bar is the amount of energy you've got in the battery.
Right.
It makes it sound like something that you'd be eating.
Energy bar, yeah.
And this is the, what, the power level? No, that's a speed.
That's the speedometer.
So this is the power level here.
Power and assist, I think.
So if you go up one over here,
Right here.
go up one, and it'll say, now I'm on power level 1. I'm ready to go, or I'm going to... Now, can you start on power level 3 comfortably?
Yeah, you can start on 5 if you want.
Good grief.
Yeah, I've started on 5 before.
And then you can go and just twist the grip here,
Right.
and away you go. So this section of the grip,
Right,
you
just
can
the
twist
left part.
while your hand rests comfortably
Right.
here. That's 166 total miles on the bike so far.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then it goes back to
To a trip.
So you get four different functions.
Nice.